again. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best rolling toolboxes in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Torin Big Red 16-inch Toolbox TB102. Keep a small but rugged toolbox stocked with the basics in your car, and you'll always be ready to tackle unexpected repairs when out and about. The Torin Big Red 16-inch toolbox is perfect for the job. At 16.7 by 6.9 by 4.9 inches, it's just big enough to hold your hammer, screwdriver set, pliers, and other often needed in and emergency tools, yet it's small enough to easily stash in the trunk and light enough, only 2.7 pounds, to lift without effort. The toolbox is made of heavy-duty gauge steel with a bright red corrosion-resistant powder finish that gives it a retro look. The heavy metal latch keeps the box securely closed, so no need to fear your tools will scatter when you take a quick turn or stop, and the comfortable-to-hold handle makes it easy to fetch the box when needed. There are no inner compartments, so you can make full use of the space to hold larger tools. Number 9. Gopless 6-drawer rolling tool chest. Most tool chests with reasonable storage capacities are quite wide, meaning you need a fairly large garage or worksite to hold them. But if space is an issue, you'll appreciate the upright configuration of the Gopless 6-drawer rolling tool chest. Instead of the typical 41 or more inches in width, this tool chest measures just 23.5 inches across, so it'll slip into a fairly narrow spot with ease. The sturdy, cold-rolled steel tool chest has a large cabinet with a door, providing the perfect spot to stash your larger tools and supplies. The top of the upper portion lifts up so you can access the inner tray. In between, there are 6 drawers, 2 of which are deeper for larger tools. Each lined drawer can hold up to 22 pounds. 4 hooks on the exterior are perfect for holding wrenches or other small tools. The tool chest has a lock to keep your tools safe. For casters, 2 with brakes, let you maneuver the chest to wherever you need it. If desired, you can separate the upper chest from the lower cabinet. The tool chest measures 23.5 inches wide, 52 inches tall, and 13 inches deep. Number 8. Husky 46 inches. WX 24 inches. D Standard Duty Workbench. Use the surface of the Husky 46-inch tool chest as a workbench for holding tools, paint, cans, brushes, or whatever else is necessary to complete a project. This mobile work center features 9 pull-out drawers, each with a 100-pound weight rating and ball-bearing slides to keep the drawers from sticking. 2 reinforced steel tool drawers at the bottom of the cart corral larger items, such as power tools, while the upper drawers offer ample room to sort and store wrenches, sockets, and more. The Husky rolling cart is made from high-quality powder-coated steel that is rust and corrosion-resistant, and it comes with heavy-duty swivel caster wheels for easy rolling. The unit measures 39 inches tall by 46 inches wide by 24.5 inches deep. Number 7. OEM Tools Workshop Creeper Seat with built-in toolbox. Working with the OEM Tools Workshop Creeper Seat is easy on the user's back, whether that involves changing a tire, assembling a cabinet on the floor, or any other activity that might lead to one heck of a backache, like kneeling on concrete or constantly bending over. Instead, complete projects comfortably on this rolling work seat that features pull-out, underseat trays to hold tools during the work process. The OEM Tools tool drawers are rated to hold up to 30 pounds each, with easy foot-controlled guidance of the swivel casters. The seat is padded with 2 inches of vinyl foam that will keep the user's rear comfy for hours. The rolling work stool measures 16.9 inches high and 14.9 inches in both length and width. Number 6. Stanley Toolbox, Mobile Chest, 50-gallon, 037025H. For those who need more storage space than a compact rolling toolbox offers, consider the Stanley Mobile Chest with its 50-gallon internal storage capacity. The Stanley name is well known and respected in the tool industry, and the robust design of this rolling tool chest is right in line with the company's other quality products. This Stanley rolling chest is made from heavy-duty molded polypropylene, and it comes with metal latches and an in-box lock for added security. An extendable handle makes pulling easy, and the handle slides out of the way when it's not in use. However, this is a tip-up rolling chest, so it's important to consider the weight of the items within. Super heavy items may make it difficult to tip up and roll. Number 5. Milwaukee Packout 22 inches. Rolling Tool Box. From the same manufacturer as the Milwaukee Power Tool line comes the Milwaukee Packout Rolling Tool Box, which has an industrial-grade extending handle for pulling and an open storage interior. When empty, it weighs less than 24 pounds, and it can also be stacked with other matching Milwaukee Packout toolboxes. This durable unit features metal-reinforced corners, heavy-duty latches, and corner bars to make lifting it easy. Its oversized 9-inch wheels can easily navigate rough terrain. The Packout rolling tool box measures 22.1 inches high by 25.6 inches wide by 18.9 inches deep. Interior trays are sold separately. Number 4. Keter Masterloader Resin Rolling Toolbox. The utilitarian-looking Keter Masterloader Resin Rolling Toolbox features 2 slide-out top trays that can be configured with 6 molded plastic bins in a custom configuration to fit most storage needs. Below the trays is a large storage compartment designed to hold bigger tools, such as drills or circular saws. For security and peace of mind, the whole thing can be locked up tight with a padlock, not included. The Keter rolling toolbox features a pull-out steel handle and tips up on 2 wheels for pulling. The unit is made from all-weather resin and measures 16.34 inches high by 24.25 inches wide by 14.88 inches deep. Number 3. Stalwart Rolling Toolbox with Wheels. The Stalwart Rolling Toolbox features 2 stackable boxes made from metal and rugged polypropylene, all at a reasonable price. The top box has a comfort grip fold-down handle, and it comes with 2 top access trays with interior compartments for storing small items. The front of the top box features more compartments in a flip-down tray. Stow larger tools and objects inside the bottom of the top box or in the base box. The back of the unit comes with cable hooks to hold extension cords or tape rolls. The rolling base box has 4.2-inch wheels for easy pulling. And all of this comes at an affordable price point. Assembled, its dimensions are 17.5 inches long by 24.5 inches high by 10 inches wide. Number 2. Stalwart Portable Tool Box 3-in-1. Stalwart's portable tool chest on wheels features 3 stackable toolboxes on a gliding wheelbase for easy relocation. Each box is crafted from heavy steel and reinforced, injection-molded polymer to protect valuable tools while they're in transit. Both the top and center boxes come with side handles for easy carrying. In addition, the top box comes with a locking lid, and the center box features a pull-out drawer, and the rolling base toolbox contains a tip-out bin. Accessing the contents of all 3 boxes without unstacking them is no problem. The Stalwart Portable Tool Box measures 30 inches long by 21 inches high by 13 inches wide when assembled. Number 1. DeWalt Toolbox with Wheels, TSTAK, Deep Box. Made from high-quality molded polyethylene and outfitted with removable interior trays for easy access, this is a deep, box-style rolling storage container that holds both large and small items. Stow power tools, batteries, and chargers in the base and organize smaller accessories, such as drill bits, screws, and nuts, in the top compartments. This DeWalt rolling toolbox comes with large 7-inch wheels, making it easy to move over rugged terrain, and it's stackable. Just add another TSTAK box to the top and lock it in place with the included anti-rust metal side latches. A nice bonus, a telescoping handle lets the user pull the box along without bending.